Lava promises free service at your home within 24 hours. That's amazing! It comes with a clean stock Android interface, which means no bloatware apps at all. 90Hz refresh rate is so smooth that it actually feels like 120Hz. Hi there! If you're looking for a smartphone under 7,000, you must check out the newly launched lavayuva 3. Starting at just 6,799, it gets a lot of things right. First and foremost, clean Android OS with almost no bloatware apps. 90Hz refresh rate, then you get 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support and a lot more. So without further ado, let's dive in deeper and see if the Yuva 3 is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So we'll start with a quick unboxing. Here's the retail packaging. You can see it's available in 3 colors. Some key specs are mentioned at the back. By the way, it's also made in India. Then inside we have this box that includes the TPU transparent cover. The quality is pretty good. Then there's a card which says free service at home within 24 hours. It's just amazing. Then on the other side, details are also mentioned in multiple languages. Then you have the phone itself. Then further in you have the SIM ejector pin, a USB-C charging cable and an 18-watt fast charger. I know, calling 18-watt fast in 2024 is a little funny. But don't forget, most sub 10K phones are still shipping with 10-watt chargers in the box. So 18-watt is a good thing. Let's talk about the build and design. So this is the cosmic lavender color. The back has this frosted matte finish. It looks super premium and the best part, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. On the top is the 13 megapixel triple AI camera with flash. Did you notice the camera module looks so similar to an iPhone Pro or Pro Max? I quite like it. Then at the bottom is a speaker, USB-C port, a microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Then on the side are the power volume rockers and the power standby button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. It's fast to unlock and super responsive. Check that out. Then on the other side is the SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards and a dedicated slot for a microSD card for storage expansion. For a phone under 7,000, the build quality I must say is solid. Coming to the display. So we get a 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display with a resolution of 1612 by 720 pixels. The color reproduction is actually pretty good. It's quite vibrant and tuned really well. Although not a full HD display, the text is quite crisp and readable. 90Hz refresh rate makes browsing through the interface such a breeze. In fact, it's so well optimized that it almost feels like 120Hz. Very smooth user experience. On the top is a punch hole notch housing the 5 megapixel selfie camera. Then watching movies and videos is super fun on the Yuva 3. It's clear and crisp. Content goes edge to edge. Streaming from apps like Netflix and Prime Videos is such a breeze. Then we also played 4K YouTube videos, though it maxed out at full HD, which I think is still quite good. YouTube stream without any lag or stutter. The Yuva 3 comes with a single downfiring speaker. Time for a quick demo. Alright, there's nothing much to say about it except it's loud and quite clear. I wish it came with dual stereo speakers, but itne paise mein itna hi milega. And frankly, I'm not complaining. Coming to my favorite part of this phone, the interface. So it's running stock Android 13 and it's absolutely clean. No bloatware apps with Android experience. You realize how much smoother stock Android truly is, even on a budget phone. Though I wish it came with Android 14 out of the box, but still, this is really good. Lava also includes the FM radio app, which only works when you plug in a wired headphone or earphones. Coming to the performance. So it's powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset. It's a tried and tested silicon and can handle all your day-to-day apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube like a breeze. Keep in mind this phone doesn't support 5G. But yes, 4G and LTE will work perfectly on both SIMs. We ran the Antutu benchmark and it scored 2,57,000, which is pretty decent. Then you get 4GB LPDDR4X RAM on board with support for virtual RAM expansion up to another 4GB, giving you a total of 8GB RAM. It definitely helps launch apps a lot quicker, and of course, multitasking is also so much snappier. This is a 128GB ROM variant with storage type UFS 2.2. We ran the speed test for that as well, and it scored 899 MB read and 691 MB write. Now, if you want to play games, I would say stick to the basic games like Subway Surfer or Candy Crush. They work almost flawlessly. But yes, we also tested BGMI, and surprisingly that worked too. But after a while it would heat up and you could notice some drop frames and stuttering. Frankly, it still worked better than I expected. For casual gaming, the Yuva 3 will do a pretty good job. Coming to the battery. So it comes with the industry standard 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you a full day to sometimes even 2 if you have light use. It comes with an 18-watt charger in the box, which takes little over an hour to fully charge. For a sub 10K phone, those numbers are pretty solid. Coming to the camera. So here are some pictures taken from the 13 megapixel rear sensor, which I'd say are very good for daytime photography. They're bright, they're clear, dynamic range and shadows capture good enough detail. Here are some more shots. Now this is a full HD 30 FPS video recorded handheld from the rear camera. Pretty decent video quality, I'd say. Then here are some pictures taken with the front 5 megapixel camera. It's got HDR support, so good skin tones, clear bright images. Here are some portrait shots. Now portrait doesn't support HDR, which is why the highlights get blown up sometimes. But still, pretty decent. So here's a video recording from the front camera of the lavayuva 3. This is a full HD 30 FPS video, which is also pretty good for a budget phone like this. Also, the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of this phone. Alright, final thoughts. For 6,799, Lava's Yuva 3 is probably the easiest to recommend for those looking for a budget smartphone. The stock Android experience is just flawless. 90Hz refresh rate makes everything so smooth. Decent camera setup, good overall performance. The lavayuva 3 goes on sale today, 7th of February on Amazon. Available in 3 colors and 2 variants, 64GB and 128GB. I'll share the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.